Do you want to plan for today's trade? Hi, I'm CA RUDRAMURTHY, author, trader, and trainer, welcomes you to this pre-market report. Now, yesterday, if you see, clearly there was a big short covering bounce, and repeatedly I was hinting short sellers beware, and you will see huge up move in markets. In fact, Nifty yesterday made a 300-point thumping short covering rally, and Bank Nifty also joined hands. But also observe very clearly in yesterday's pre-market report, which you can see in our list of videos which I am uploading in our YouTube channel Rudrology, I hinted yes, it will be private banks which will make the huge outperformance. ICICI Bank, the stock which I was repeatedly telling in yesterday's pre-market video, is up yesterday 3%. Even if someone would have just done one lot of ICICI Bank position, which is somewhere at around 1375, one lot in futures, if you would have done ICICI Bank, you would have made profit of at least 23,000 rupees, and just for a capital of about 1 to 1.5 lakh. And if you had stocks in your margin and only 50% as per the new SEBI rules, which if you would have given also for a capital of around 60-70,000, this works out to be a return of anywhere between 25 to 30%. Yes, this is the power of true analysis of stocks. Now, if you see crucial important data and what to watch out for today and how to plan for trade today, I want you to clearly understand Nifty had earlier support at levels of 15,670 to 15,750. So this range of 15,670 to 15,750, which was earlier acting as support, once it got broken, now this is acting as resistance. And very quickly in today's video, I want you to have the practical understanding of what is the support and what is the resistance. Generally very simple, in the room where I am now, the floor here down is considered to be support because I can't go below that, and the roof here on the top, that is considered as resistance because if I jump, my head will go and hit to the roof. So similarly, when prices are moving, it will also have a support and it will have a resistance. So the simple rule is buy at support and sell at resistance. This anyone can teach you, and it is available in lot of YouTube videos and Google write-ups. But let me tell you what is not available, which you will get it only here in your lovely show Rudrology. And let me tell you, you have to buy at support and sell at resistance only if it holds. So if you forget this word only if it holds, buying at support and selling at resistance is definitely not a good idea. And let me tell you, because once the support breaks, that will next act as resistance, and once the resistance breaks, it will next act as support. Now what is happening is, previously the level of 15,670 to 15,750, which was acting as support, once it got broken, now any up move towards 15,670 to 15,750 will act as resistance. In fact, many viewers who have also forwarded, retweeted these videos, they have asked me in the suggestion below. Yesterday, some of them asked me, can you discuss Nifty levels in the pre-market video? So that is where today I am giving you level and telling you any bounce to 15,670 to 15,750 will now act as resistance, and market should see a sell-off. Yes, for very short term, markets are so volatile. Yesterday, those who bought put option gone, and closing hours, those who bought call option, today SGX Nifty is already indicating a 80-point gap down, and they're also gone. So I remember many a times people make jokes and they share this lot in my WhatsApp video. Some of them have a post market video at 8 o'clock and they say, sir, they suggested market will go up. So post market video, that is after 3:30 yesterday's market close, you hear that market will go up, and today seeing SGX Nifty in pre-market video, already the call is no, market will come down. Yes, if you have any better entertainment than these, please also suggest that in the comment section below so that we can all enjoy and have fun for free. But then let me tell you, for today, it is very crucial that market has to look at supports at levels closer to 15,300. So positionally, if we break 15,300 and start closing below that, this market is still not out of the woods. And for very short term, if you cannot trade this high volatility, it is better to save your capital and stay away from market. Only experienced and expertise traders or people who are watching these videos are getting that heads up to trade even in this highly volatile market and make tons of money. Yesterday, one lot of ICICI Bank would have given you 23,000 rupee. Imagine a 10 lot would have given you 2,30,000 rupee profit. I always say you are just one trade away from dash 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 dash. So whatever you want to achieve as your financial goal, you are just that one trade away. But the big question is, can you get that one big trade? And it is possible if you can learn out of your mistakes and if you can gain that experience rather than repeating the same mistake again and again. Today, I feel this crude oil fall which we are able to see in market will settle somewhere between $95 to $100 per barrel. Still another $10 fall in crude oil prices can be seen. I've already hinted you yesterday that any stocks like your MRPL, Chennai Petro, ONGC, GAIL, all these which gave a bounce yesterday, it was time to book profits because crude coming down is not good for these type of stocks. In fact, some of these stocks will tumble furthermore from yesterday's level. And also let me tell you, for today, if metals shows any weakness, for me, metals will be a very good opportunity to go short or sell in this market. And some of you might be asking, what is this selling or shorting? How can I sell when I don't have? Yes, intraday in equity market, you can go short or you can sell even if you don't have the stock. And if the stock comes down, you will make profit. So even in a falling market, you can make profit by shorting, but intraday only it is allowed in equity market. However, in futures and options, if you feel markets will come down, you can make money by shorting or selling in future, even though you don't have the underlying asset or even though you don't have the share. And in case of options, if you feel markets will come down, you can buy put option, and if you feel markets will go up, you can buy call option. But then options are not as easy as what you think. You have to learn much more. In fact, in my playlist, if you watch basics of option, I have covered close to 7 to 10 videos. And if you go to my playlist on options, one by one series of videos on basics of options are freely there uploaded, and that will give you tons of knowledge. I'm sure in today's program, you got markets heads up. You understood what to do today, that is metals will be an area to go short on every rise. You also understood support and resistance. You also understood Nifty levels. You also understood that in stock market, very important is to stay away from volatility and secure your capital if you don't have that experience. But if you can understand the market moves and if you have that risk management and position sizing, these are markets even to make tons of money. Non-stop input I've just given to you through this live pre-market report. And if you want to hear this once again, make lot of notes, keep a book separately only for this kind of market learning, and keep learning more so that you can earn more. Do remember, you are just one trade away from recovering all your losses in market. But then, are you ready not to give up and keep continuously learning? Learning just is not important. It has to be continuous learning. I'm sure this video has added a lot of inputs to you. You will start making note from today. Lot of learnings which keeps coming to you in your superb show in YouTube channel of Rudralogy. Watch more videos of option market which I have already uploaded. Give your feedbacks to me without fail down in the comment section, and do join hands with me to spread right financial literacy by forwarding this video to as many people as possible through WhatsApp, Telegram and all available social media. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off, Rudramurthy.